So, i-flatness muna natin yung chicken. Bago natin lutuin. Yan, tanggalin na natin sa tubig. So, ngayon pwede na natin ilagay yung chicken. Bale na blends natin yung chicken. Ayan. So, yan. Nalagay na natin yung, pero di ko napakita. Nakalimutan kong i-on. Nakala ko naka-on yung video. Hindi pala. Nalagay na natin yung ginawa nating homemade masala sauce. So, lagyan natin ng black pepper. Ayan, as usual, para masarap siya. Tapos, lagay na natin yung chicken cubes natin. Ayan po siya. Saka natin dagdagan natin ng ayan, water. 2 cups of water. Pakuluan lang natin before we will add the mushroom.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest, and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat.
Hindi ka naman ngayon tulog ko, yan ang tayo. Pinag-open ako, tumakulik ko ng tahanan ko. Hindi yata napasama ko lang. Nakailan mo internet na. Sugal ko nga sa piso ba yun? Ito na lang gamitin ko. Diba? Ang yung sugal ko.
Sakto na nung matang lagi sa 900 bed.
Ay, sumarap sa, dahil tulad sa tigatahan pa.
Kasi nung Monday, lagi 1 to.
Kumukulo na rin yung pinapaitan natin, papaitan.
In your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest, and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else.
That is OTN. It's barbecue time. Saturday, Sunday afternoon.
You pull me
Oh, yan, barbecue time. If it's barbecue.
I died into
Yeah.
your love.
Lalo nung di,
Sarap.
natin eh.
Feel my breath.
Madam, mag-barbecue ni Robert.
Whenever you will call my name, I will run to you. Give me strength to carry on.
We're enjoying the summer.
To you, you give my life again.
Tano madlaw, oh. That's Robert. Ate Bet's kitchen husband. At mga mawis. Ayan, pina.
Never knew this love could make my heart beat. You
That's Ate Bet's kitchen over there.
my world again. Love is all
Pagod.
I need. No one
Pumunta sila sa ano,
feel my heart.
sa mall. Pumili ng mga damit niya. Binilan din niya ako ng damit ko. Yan si Jomar at Ote and Mimi. Clifford. Bobo. Anak ni Ote.
Mga pamilya marunggay.
Mga pamilya marunggay. Ayan. May sinigang din kami dito. Ayan. Pait. Ayan. Papaitan. Beef papaitan. Pampano. Ayan, barbecue namin pampano din.
Ano nito na guwapo? Makalimod ka rin niya, tanda tao, tansi.